Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how you can save contact in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. It's very simple. You just need to open your dialer and type the number which you want to save. I have copied my number, so simply paste it. From here, you will see this plus icon. Tap on it, and here you will see two options: create new contact, and second option is update existing contact. Tap on first option, which is create new contact, and from here you will see there are multiple options on which you want to save your contact. The best option in my preferences is Google, but you can save it in your mobile or in your Samsung account according to your preferences. You can also add second number if the person have. So let's type the name, and now simply tap on save. Now as you can see, Tim number is now saved. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.